Hey everybody, Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. Have you heard about collagen peptides? Are you considering purchasing some because of the great things that you've heard about it on social media and the press? Well, we're going to discuss tonight collagen peptides. And I've been using a brand of collagen peptides for about 3 or 4 months. Consistently, day in and day out, at least one serving. And the collagen peptides are from the good people at Livegood. Now, I don't think you can really see this clearly, but this is the packaging. And let's talk a little bit about collagen peptides. And they're the most abundant protein in the human body. And collagen peptides' prime purpose is to enhance our skin, hair, and nails. They also help with gut health and with mobility. It gives more of a flexibility to our joints. It's the glue that holds everything together in the human body. And the unfortunate part is with collagen, we lose it gradually after the age of 20. According to people that have read a lot of literature on this, we lose about 1% of collagen each year after age 20. When we're age 50, we've lost approximately 25% of collagen in our bodies. At age 75, we lost about 50% of collagen. That means that we need to replenish collagen in our bodies and use a supplement to help with enhancing a lot of body systems. And elasticity of the skin is also impaired as we get older, and the collagen helps with that. It does have a unusual amino acid sequence, but I believe that this collagen product that I've been using for the last 3 or 4 months has been very, very helpful to me in terms of enhancing my complexion, giving me more flexibility when I'm running and working out. There are really reportedly 29 different types of collagen, and the one from the good people at Livegood is a type 1 and type 3 collagen with a bovine derivative, which gives us granular collagen, which is preferable. That's grass-fed, pasture-raised, and grass-finished in terms of the processing. And it's unflavored, which is good. It tastes a little bit like a tea when you add it to water. It has 2 total grams, 2 grams of total carbs to the package, to each serving. Calories, 50 calories. Proteins, 10 grams of proteins. It contains polynol, which is like an antioxidant formulation. Boswellia serrata helps with muscle and joint health. It's a great product. I'd really recommend it. I think my complexion has really been enhanced in the last 3 or 4 months using this product. And I just put a serving into unsweetened almond milk or coconut milk, unsweetened coconut milk. And it's very good. It's very, very good. And I would recommend it highly if you'd like to pick up a wonderful packaging of collagen peptides to enhance your looks and feel, and your body mechanism from day to day will be enhanced. Definitely comment below. It's a very good product from the good people of Livegood. And I'd like you to subscribe to my channel, if you would, by smashing that subscription button below the this video. And if you have any comments about collagen or how it's worked for you, I'd love to know that. Granular collagen is preferable to liquid collagen. The liquid collagen types have a lot of preservatives in it, and it's really not that effective in terms of helping us, as opposed to a very good granular type that they have from the Livegood company. So that's it for today. I hope everyone's doing well. Looking forward to Christmas and the New Year's, and we'll talk to you again tomorrow. Again, Stu Weinstock, and it's been my pleasure. And certainly if you have comments, please leave them below this video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye now.